Take the big jobs in stride in the Ram 2500. Its blend of heavy-duty capability, passenger comfort, and connected technology will see you through. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, keyless start, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers, split bench seat, tow hitch. The Ram 2500 delivers heavy-duty capability, sophisticated style, rugged strength, and technology that keeps you safe and connected.